Jerry Hines as
Orville and Wilbur's dad told him, if God wanted you to fly, he'd have put wings on your back.
All right, y'all, this is Pastor Myron Golden. He's educating us on how to make $1 million, how to be a millionaire. Let's listen to him for a few minutes.
See, we allow our beliefs to stop us from taking the action that would work if we would work it. Are y'all tracking? Okay, cool. So, how do you make $1 million? Step by step. Number one, don't assign a level of difficulty. Y'all tracking? Number two, decide to do it. Just decide, I'm gonna do it. And once you decide to do it, then you can let your subconscious mind start looking for the answers to how to do it. Here's what I found out. You don't have to know how to do something in order to get it done. In fact, there are a lot of things right now, I'm not talking about sometime in the future, there are a lot of things right now in your life that you know how to do, but you ain't doing them.
Y'all agree with that? Is there things that we know how to do, but we ain't doing them? Is there? We know how to do it, but we ain't doing it. Is that why we're not accomplishing goals or the plans that we have? Is that what it is?
Can I get a witness? You ain't doing them. Huh? So don't act like, well, if I only knew, child, please. Okay. So.
In 2 miles, take right exit 787 toward Crosby Lynchburg.
Now, decide does not mean the same thing as choose. Right? Choose means pick one. See, if you make a choice, you can change your mind.
When I started Walton God,
Make a choice, you can change your mind. Let's keep the information going. This is Pastor Myron Golden.
If you don't like your life.
He is awesome, you guys. He really go hard.
See, if you make a choice, you can change your mind. But if you make a decision, there is no changing your mind. It's like I talked about a couple weeks ago. I talk about like when an airplane's taking off, you get to a certain point, it's called the point of no return. It's like, we are gonna take, this plane's gonna go up in the air, we're just gonna crash and burn. We're not slowing down, we're not starting over. Like, and see, when you get to the point of no return, the point of no return is based on two things: where you are and how fast you're going. You can't creep up to the point of no return.
In a half mile, take right.
Can't creep up to the point of no return. Wow, he goes deep.
To a decision. That's not how decisions work. Decisions work like this. You cut yourself off from everything else. That's what the word decide means. So you just decide, I'm going to do this. You decide, I'm going to make $1 million. You decide, I'm going to become a
Take right exit.
Decide, I'm going to make $1 million. It's a decision that you make. That's how it starts off, with making it happen. According to Pastor Myron Golden.
I'm going to get in shape. You decide, I am not going to be old and sick.
Pastor Myron, you go hard, man. Pastor Myron. You decide I'm not going to be old and sick. You decide I'm going to be old, but I ain't going to be sick. Y'all agree with that? It's our decisions that we make. It's what we live by.
And I'm not going to do it. You just decide. And you make a decision. I'm like, I can decide. I have autonomy. Okay, so you decide, I'm going to make $1 million. Okay, then you discover the principles and do the math. Now, here's the cool thing about the math. Y'all ready? It's 5th grade math. It's actually 3rd grade math, but I'm doing my best to make you feel good. 5th grade math. There's no algebra involved. There's no trigonometry. There's no calculus. It's just basic addition, subtraction, multiplication, and percentages. I don't know. If I promise you, if somebody would have showed me what I'm about to show you when I was in the 5th grade, I'd have been a millionaire by the time I was in the 9th grade. Y'all ready? Here we go.
In a quarter mile.
All right, y'all. If y'all want more of the video, be sure to go check out Myron Golden on his YouTube channel, the one where he's educating us on how to make $1 million step by step. All right, thanks for checking out Jerry Hines SRTV. Peace.